drive, but you can figure it out easily.
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna drive. We're just gonna move it.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to do anything
And
else.
it has rear steering.
Okay.
With this little lock. If you have any questions, just
Yeah, we're just gonna rearrange this shit anyways.
call me.
What kind of wrap do you think is for that? Anything special or just a color?
I don't know.
So I'm doing a lot of crazy shit nowadays. Fades, this, that. There's a lot of. I can print any color you want. Like I can do crazy shit.
I saw that blue color you've been doing.
Oh, the Tiffany thing?
Yeah.
I did 3 of those. Yeah, I mean, get creative. I could print anything you want. I could do anything you want.
Okay.
Anything, like literally.
I'm gonna like spend some time and like drafting up.
But black wheels for sure, right? So I'll send that out.
Yeah.
So I get black wheels fast.
Yeah.
Like gloss black.
I think matte.
Okay, satin black.
Yeah, satin,
black on the wheels. I'll get that started.
And
you
then
figure
the
out
roof
the
rack.
Roof rack with
LED
lights in the
lights.
front
You do lights in front and
back. Yep. Sides I could do too. if you
Yeah, let's do
want.
sides,
So
too.
just lights all around.
And then maybe some fucking underglow lights too.
Okay.
Some gangster
You want to go crazy with these things.
Yeah. And I was thinking about potentially matching like the wraps.
Okay. Yeah.
So
That'll be hard. Let's do that.
CD radio. There's like this off-road radios, and then right here, there's like no storage for like if you can put like a glove compartment, and then like grab handles. I'll text you this list.
Text me.
It's like simple shit though.
Text me. I can do all that. Shit.
I was thinking the military green thing that you did with Chalizi's, right?
The army green.
I feel like that could be sick.
It's a little bit darker color. So if you're thinking it's like you want to go bright, it's not bright.
Yeah.
I don't know
I've
if
seen
that's
it in person.
Okay, then you know.
Yeah.
It's a dope color for sure.
I feel like it might match the vibes of this.
I have a really dope sand color too.
Pretty sick.
Yeah. So that's like sand. I have the green here too, actually.
But
That's the green. It's dope too, but it's darker. I don't know if you want to go flashy.
that's the one you've been doing, right?
I printed that, but it is close to that.
Let me take a picture.
That's type 2, I mean.
So many options.
The wraps are endless now. Now we're printing shit. So now it's like we could print any color. I could do anything. You could make the whole car this. I could do like nowadays you could do anything, you know? Like these are some of the fades I was working on, like black to yellow to white. I mean, you could do anything. Combination of colors. That's like a prism look. Nobody's really done that shit. I don't know. Get creative. I don't know.
I feel like this yellow and green could be sick together.
You could do that. You could do it in a fade together. You could do portions of it. I mean, you could do. See, that doesn't have that much to wrap though.
Yeah,
See, it's only it's only a little bit. I mean, I can still do the fade on that. It's just gonna be a smaller fade.
Black and white camo.
Those are kind of gone now. Those camo days and stuff. I don't know. It's been done a lot. Like I was gonna do something like this on somebody's car recently.
That's kind of
So I could use this and do different colors.
It might be a little too crazy.
Yeah, see, I mean, see, I just did a Ferrari this with yellow brakes and shit. It looked hard. But you can mix up those colors for sure.
That could look.
That's a good combination of colors. But like how? With the wheels?
I think this one, mainly the truck will be
Okay.
like this, and then
Okay.
I think the Jeep should just be yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
I wouldn't.
It's tough.
You just leave it black?
If anything, I'd do it that gray.
Gray is
Even-
hard.
or
The
even-
chalk gray?
The gray is hard actually.
The
Or
chalk
even the
gray.
gray with the gray with the green.
With detailed green.
Yeah, and then you do accents, small accents of yellow. So you
Yeah.
have that.
So match them all together with those three.
That
Like
can
See,
yellow
go
like,
seat belt.
this is the
Yeah, yellow. Oh yeah, and 5-point harnesses on that.
5-point harness.
Because bro, I almost.
You do the
died.
lights.
I'm
You
sure
can
on
do
that.
accents of the lights with this and make it have like those
That
the
Ferrari left
lights.
today, but that's like the gray.
Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah.
That's sick as fuck.
That's what I'm saying. And
Maybe we do mainly gray on both
With
of them,
the-
and then like yellow
Add
and
some little
green
yellow
accents.
areas, like maybe like the front grille slits or
Yeah.
you
You can even
know.
put those lights, the ones that look like eyes, and have that be yellow. That would look hard.
Yeah,
Oh, I could do, like,
grab
yellow.
handles and.
I could do that. I could do.
Like
You could do
accent.
yellow 5-point harness.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Yellow accents there, and then the green we would have to kind of maybe play with it here and there. I mean, yeah, we could come up with something.
I think gray and yellow though is the basis.
Gray and yellow is dope. Yeah, that's dope. That's gonna be hard.
Okay.
With black wheels on both cars, both trucks. And then, okay, I get your idea. I'll come up with something.
Quick little Jake's Garage update. We're dropping off the big trucks at RDBLA right now. I got to pick, bro. I think we go gray and yellow.
Gray and yellow is the bet. Right there, let's do it.
That's the move. All right, time for a little transformation.
Just text me whatever other little stuff you're talking about,
Okay.
and I'll get whatever I know already rolling. So you just text me whatever else you get in mind, whatever. Just tell me.
Okay.
And I'll do it.
All right, thank you, bro.
No problem, man.
We'll get out of here.
Sound like you're the plug, bro.
All right.
You'll see. I don't know how you drive this fast though, that's the problem. Slow, okay, fast, I don't know.
Probably just for crawling.
Whew. Yeah, it is for crawling. Alright guys, we are in Jake Paul's crazy Jeep 4x4 monster. I mean, I don't know what this thing is, I don't know what they call it. It's insanity. Probably one of the craziest things I could even drive around here. Takes a lot to get used to it. It has rear steering, it has locking diffs front and back with low and high and all kinds of shit, to be honest. A lot. He didn't explain anything to me, he just said you'll figure it out. Right now we took it out because we do have his big trailer and big truck in there blocking the front. So we're moving this so we can put it somewhere else. We're gonna be putting the truck and the trailer somewhere else. We're gonna be doing a lot of work on the truck and this Jeep. It's gonna take a little bit of time. We're gonna do some custom mods on both. We're gonna do wraps, we're gonna do all of that stuff. We've been working with the Paul brothers for a long time, both great friends of mine. So we're super excited to work on these two monsters. All right guys, so, hey Sarkis, hey, say hi to your fans. Okay, for those of you who don't know, Sarkis is not interested in YouTube anymore. He had a lot of hate online and he got very disappointed in his fans, so he no longer wants to be on YouTube. We're trying to convince him, but he's very stubborn. So actually he's working more now, so leave it at that. We have a lot more to show you guys. Next episode you guys are gonna see another wide body Urus, a yellow one. It's gonna be crazy. But for now, these masks. The one I'm wearing right now, this is that green Mclaren. These are limited edition. We're only selling 100 of them. They're online right now. They're adjustable, of course. So you could adjust them to however you want, and it's got really the dope green Mclaren on there, the RDB. It's that army green color, full. You could put a filter in there. We saw the black ones, of course, online. Actually, we're almost out of these again. We went through about 2,000 of these. We're almost out. But 100 of these online right now. Each one gets a sticker. So this sticker right here is exactly the car. So we're doing basically theme packs for these builds from now on. We're gonna be doing more masks, more stickers, even shirts. We're gonna be dropping every month. So this is kind of a first trial basis. So this sticker right here has our logos down there, but if you don't want it, you don't need it, you could literally take it off and it'll become like this. So literally just the car. Really dope. The only way to get the sticker is with this mask. So go online right now, only 100 left before they sell out. Buy it now.